many.
We can take them! Yeah, just get ready to bring it.
Take what? Bring what?
It! You know, like, let's rock! Throw down! Bro!
I don't get it.
Oh, never mind. Just follow my lead.
Are these guys made of ice?
Some of them are frozen warriors, others are just ice. What about these guys? All ice!
Whoa, did you see that?
I saw it. It's like the ice was controlling him.
You dare defy the Ice Emperor! You will obey or perish!
Oh! Hi, Lloyd. Heads up! It's over. You've lost.
You sheltered the newcomers. You should have known not to defy the Ice Emperor.
The fire! He's going for the fire!
Stop him!
You have won the battle, but without your fire, you have lost the war.